Hellerstein rejected both arguments, finding first that a state court judge's alleged bias does not present a federal question that would justify jurisdiction in a federal court, and was an issue for a state appeals court to decide. Trump's attorneys also argued the U.S. Supreme Court's ruling on presidential immunity in a separate Trump criminal case should result in the charges him being dismissed because prosecutors used some evidence of Trump's official acts as a part of their case. Hellerstein said he was standing by his July 2023 conclusion following briefing and an evidentiary hearing, that removal of the case was not warranted because the case was centered on Trump's personal actions. I held in my order and opinion of July 19, 2023 that hush money paid to an adult film star is not related to a president's official acts. Hellerstein wrote, "Nothing in the Supreme Court's opinion affects my previous conclusion that the hush money payments were private, unofficial acts, outside the bounds of executive authority." The judge's decision comes after prosecutors in New York urged Merchan not to allow Trump's 11th-hour effort to move the case to federal court to prevent him from ruling on pending motions in the historic state criminal case. Trump had asked Merchan to set aside the jury's verdict because it allegedly relied on evidence of Trump's official, and therefore immune, conduct, but also has requested that Merchan delay his sentencing until after the November election. Both motions are still pending. The DA's office opposes Trump's efforts to overturn the verdict and contends the impact of the official acts that were referred to in the case were negligible. Merchan is expected to rule on that matter September 16, 2 days before Trump's sentencing. Prosecutors have also said they would defer to the judge on pushing back the September 18th date in order to give Trump adequate time to try and appeal, but also urged him to pronounce sentence without unreasonable delay.